Hello everybody! Today we're going to be doing the Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer paper craft. Now we're going to need a piece of brown construction paper, another sheet of brown construction paper in a darker shade, but if you don't have any other darker paper, you can go ahead and just color on that with a brown crayon, it'll look darker. A small piece of red construction paper, a glue stick, some scissors, a pencil, a black marker or crayon, and a white crayon. And let's get started. So I went ahead and traced my daughter's hands and feet. Now you want to do their hands on the darker brown piece of paper, only because those are going to be our antlers. So as you can see there, I already have her little hands there. And I already went ahead and made a circle on the red piece, just for our nose. And there's her little foot that I went ahead and traced on this brown piece of paper. Now we're going to go ahead and get started with our cutting. I'm going to go ahead and put the red aside just so we don't lose it. We don't need it just yet. And I got started on our lighter shade of brown. Get that little foot nice and out of there. Now I'm going to go ahead and speed this up only because I like to take my time to make sure it comes out really nice for you guys. And there we go. We have our little foot out. And then we can just go ahead and get started on our hands. Now, another option you could have done also is just fold the paper in half and then only trace it one time. But my daughter was really adamant about tracing both hands because they're each special and they both deserve to be traced. I don't know. So we did both hands. And I went ahead and cut them out. And whenever you trace the hands, of course, the little wrist part doesn't come out. So I went ahead and filled that in. Just round it off. It's going to be behind the foot anyway. So once you have that all nice and cut out, like we see right here, now we can go ahead and grab the nose, just any circle. You can let your kids make the circle if they want. I went ahead and cut that out as well. And then we were all done. That's pretty much it for the prep as far as getting our shape of our reindeer head ready. And then I cleaned it up just a bit. And then so right here what you can do is just go ahead and help your child see about where they want the antlers to go. Now, I prefer to put the foot in the front just so I can see how big her foot is getting every year. I think it's so cute. So I put the hands in the back. You can also put the antlers on the front, and it'll look the same either way. It looks very cute both ways. So if your child prefers the antlers on the front, you can go ahead and do that. But if not, you can do it either way that you prefer to put the antlers. You can go ahead and do it like this. So just put a little bit of glue on the bottom, on the inside part of the palm, on the bottom part of the palm of both antlers, the little hands. Line them up where the thumbs are, as you can see I did right here. Line them up as best you can. Grab the foot and go ahead and just place it toes up, because the heel of the foot is going to be our mouth for our reindeer. So press it in there, not nice and hard. Make sure that it gets all covered up. Now see, that's the front with the antlers in the front. They can go ahead and use that part, but I prefer to have it with the foot out just so that the antlers are in the back. Put a little bit of glue on your nose. Tap it in there really nice. And we're pretty much done right here with the shape of our reindeer. So the next part that I like to do is I like to draw in the eyes. So grab the marker or the black crayon that your child's going to be using. Just below, make sure to leave a little bit of space when you put that nose so you can make the face. I just went ahead and drew a couple of eyes in there, colored them in, and then I went and I grabbed a white crayon and I colored in the whites of the eyes. So just let them color that part in as well. And then just added a little bit of a little dot right there just so it looks like it's bright. And then I grabbed the piece of a lighter brown that we had already cut the foot out of. And you fold it in half, and then you draw, I guess, the shape of a football. Just draw it a little big. You can see there's already stuff added onto here. You can go ahead and ignore that. That was a mistake. But yeah, just go ahead and draw the shape of I just say like a football. Just have them, you can see right here, it's about 1.5 inches big. So yeah, so we're going to go ahead and place it there. Those are going to be our ears. So you can go ahead and do that. And then I took a scrap from the hand, the darker brown that we had already colored, and I folded that in half and made a smaller football shape. Okay, and yes, I know that there's some stuff missing, but yeah, just go ahead and follow what I'm doing in the video. So then you're going to go ahead and draw the smaller, thinner football shape. Just cut that out as well. And then after we're done getting this out of that darker shade of brown, see, we had already I glued down the bigger football, and then you put that right in the center of the other football shape. Get both of them on there. Just a little bit of glue right in the center of that football shape. And then we grab our black marker crayon that we're using and just shade the outline of the football onto the reindeer itself. And then we trace the smaller football on the inside. And then I went ahead and did the same for the nose as well. And I traced the little white piece that we had put in there. And that's pretty much it. Now this next part that I'm going to show you is optional. It's if you want to make it into an ornament to hang onto your tree. So I'm going to go ahead and grab that piece of light brown paper that we use for the foot. I'm going to cut a long strip off of it as long as you want it to be. I'm going to bring the corners together after I lay it flat. Bring the corners together. Grab your glue stick and put just a tiny little bit of glue on the one that's underneath. Push it down there nice and hard. And then I'm going to go ahead and flip over the reindeer. And right in the center on the top, in the back, I'm going to put a little bit of glue, just a little dot. And then I'm going to push it down nice and firm to make sure it gets glued on there. Take your pen and write in the year or their name and let them write how old they were, just so it's a keepsake for you. And there you have it. That's pretty much it. Now this is the finished product. This is with the ears and everything else. You can let them continue decorating it if they want to color in the antlers some more, if they want to add a piece of ribbon to it, whatever they want to do. I went ahead and added some eyelashes because my daughter wants every single thing to have eyeliner apparently. But yeah, please like and subscribe and follow for more videos.